अस्सलामुअलैकुम फ्रेंड्स, ये वीडियो उन बिगनर्स के लिए है जो यूपीएससी की तैयारी कर रहे हैं और अपनी स्टार्टिंग के फर्स्ट रीडिंग में हैं। सो मैं आज आपको इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट्स लाइन पढ़ के बताऊंगी कि आपको समझ में आ जाएगा कि फर्स्ट रीडिंग में भी ये इंपॉर्टेंट है बोल के। सो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं वीडियो को। जस्ट मैं रीड करके आपको इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट बता रही हूँ, एक्सप्लेन नहीं कर रही हूँ। जस्ट देख लेना आपके ये इंपॉर्टेंट लाइन्स है और आपको फर्स्ट रीडिंग में ही बहुत कुछ समझ में आ जाएगा। सो चलिए वीडियो शुरू करते हैं। वैसे मेरा नाम है नेहा बानो और मैं एक यूपीएससी एस्पिरेंट हूँ। आज का टॉपिक लिया है मैंने प्रिएम्बल ऑफ द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन। सो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। सो इन दिस पैराग्राफ द इम्पॉर्टेंट लाइन्स आर So first line is the American Constitution was the first to begin. So friends, these are very important lines. नॉट फॉर ओनली यूपीएससी बट ऑल्सो फॉर वनडे एग्जाम्स। यूपीएससी में तो ज़्यादा ये नहीं पूछेगा, बहुत बेसिक हो गया, लेकिन आपको वनडे एग्जाम के क्वेश्चंस पे ज़्यादा क्वेश्चंस आ सकते हैं यहाँ से। सो चलिए देखते हैं। अमेरिकन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन वॉज द फर्स्ट टू बिगिन विद द प्रिएम्बल एंड after that many countries also including India also follows this practice. So the term preamble refers to introduction, or preface to the constitution. It is the introduction or preface to the constitution. It is also very important. See, it contains summary or essence of the constitution. So one of the important person, that is Palkhivala, called the preamble as the identity card of the constitution. So the preamble to the Indian constitution is based on objective resolution. So it is based on objective resolution that is drafted by Pandit Nehru and adopted by Constituent Assembly. So the preamble also amended by the 42nd Constitution Amendment Act of 1976, which added the 3 new words, that is the socialist, secular and integrity. So this is preamble in its present form. Let's see. So see, this is very important. See, we the people of India. So here the we the people, we have solemnly resolved to constitute India into a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic, and to secure to all its citizens, that is justice of social, economic and political, and liberty of thoughts, expression, belief, faith and worship, and also equality of status and opportunity, and to promote among them all so fraternity, assuring the dignity of the individuals and the unity and integrity of the nation. So it is very important for UPSC as well as for the one day exam questions. So read it very carefully. This is very important. See, so in our Constituent Assembly, the 26th day of November, that is 1949, we have adopted and enacted ourselves this constitution. Then next friend, this is also very important. See, it is ingredients of the preamble. So the preamble reveals 4 ingredients components, that is source of authority of the constitution. See here, source. The preamble states that the constitution derive its authority from the people of India. See here, we the people of India has derived this, that is the preamble states that the constitution derive its authority from the people of India. And nature of Indian states, it declares India to be a sovereign, social, secular, democratic and republican polity. And the objectives of the constitution are, it specifies justice, liberty, equality and fraternity as well as the objectives. So date of adoption of the constitution is 26th November 1949. Remember this date, very important. See, so the keywords in the preamble are the sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic, republic, liberty, equality, fraternity are explained below. Next, sovereign. The word sovereign implies that India is neither a dependency nor a dominant any other nation. So India is a sovereign state. It is not dependent on any other state but an independent state. There is no authority above it and it is free to conduct its own affair, both external and internal. So in 1949, India declared the continuation of the full membership of the Commonwealth of Nation. So India declared that membership of the Commonwealth of the nation and accept the British Crown as the head of the Commonwealth. This extra constitutional declaration does not affect India's sovereignty. So by becoming a member of this membership, India is fully sovereign. Further, India's membership of the United Nations organization also is no way constitute a limitation on her sovereignty. So being a sovereign state, India can either acquire a foreign territory or cede a part of its territory in favor of a foreign states. So friends, these are also very important lines. Read it very carefully. सो फ्रेंड्स, मैं वीडियो को छोटे छोटे पार्ट में ही बनाऊंगी. अगर आपको ऐसे ही और वीडियो चाहिए तो प्लीज़ मुझे कमेंट करके बताइए, और मैं ऐसे ही लाइन वाइज आपको पढ़ के बताऊंगी कि कौन से इंपॉर्टेंट लाइन्स है. जो मैंने लाइन्स पढ़ा है वो सभी इंपॉर्टेंट्स है. जो यहाँ पे वो भी इम्पोर्टेंट है, ये भी कंपोनेंट्स और इम्पोर्टेंट है. इसका फर्स्ट पेज भी बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट है. एंड सॉवरेन वो सब. अगर वीडियो अच्छी लगी है तो आपको प्लीज़ मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए और कमेंट कीजिए कि मैं और ऐसे वीडियो बनाता हूँ. थैंक यू.